Hello, my name is Michael Granger. This is my PIDP 3100 assignment number 4. Today we're going to talk about how to gouge out a bad weld. Here's a perfect example of a bad weld. This is the safety gear you need. Due to the high velocity of sparks that are being sprayed, you'll need to have a leather jacket, good leather gloves, helmet set to at least a shade 12. You need a carbon arc rod, a chipping hammer, a clamp to hold the workpiece down, and your gouging head. Most importantly, you'll need earplugs. These disposables work just fine as gouging is upwards of 120 decibels. Today we're going to use a Lincoln AirVantage 600 SD. It's a multi-process machine with an built-in onboard air compressor. First things first, you have to switch the multi-function switch to arc gouging. Because we're going to use a 5/16 diameter by 12-inch gouging rod, shown here, you have to adjust the machine to about 400 amps is a good place to start. Next, make sure you turn on the air compressor for the welder. Make sure you connect the air lines to the gouging head and connect the stinger cable to electrode positive. You turn on the air valve at the bottom of the welding machine. Connect the ground clamp to your workpiece. This is the gouging head here. It has a clamp. It's a clamp style. It has a cross push air valve on it. There's the air valve there. You push it across to turn the air on, push it back to turn the air off. Remember to turn the air on before you initiate the arc. What actually removes the material is the air jets underneath the bottom of the gouging electrode. So when the arc becomes established, the air blows the molten material away. This is a little bit of a demo that I did. Here's the video that you can watch. You want to try to have approximately 4 to 6 inches of electrode stick out. This is on the left-hand side, it's the original piece we started with. On the right-hand side, it's our finished piece. We're ready to weld it again. I've done a little bit of grinding to clean it up, just to remove the carbon scale off the bottom of the part. But there it is. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch my video.